Picture this. You're grinding away in a video game, collecting rare items, leveling up, and you're dominating your opponents. But instead of all that effort disappearing when you log off, you're making real money. And that is the future of gaming. And it's already here, crypto gaming. This is not some niche trend. It's a revolution that has the potential to turn tiny investments into life-changing gains almost overnight. Welcome to JRNY TV, where we make the complex world of digital finance not so complex for everyone, regardless of your experience. And today we are diving headfirst into one of the fastest growing opportunities in the entire crypto space, blockchain gaming. We're talking about a new financial ecosystem where your in-game achievements are more than just pixels on a screen. They're assets that you can trade, sell, or even rent out for passive income. Yeah, and if you know where to look, this is your chance to get in early. So why is crypto gaming so insanely bullish right now? It's all about ownership. Blockchain gaming, it gives players the ownership of in-game assets as NFTs, items that can be sold, traded, or even utilized across multiple games. In 2022, the blockchain gaming market was worth over $128 billion with a B, but it is expected to skyrocket to $600 billion by 2030, growing at a blistering 21.8% annually. This isn't just a new way to play, it's a new way to invest and earn, and that is attracting gamers and investors alike. But here's the real kicker. While everyone else is chasing meme coins and random tokens, the real money is being built in the gaming space. Developers have been quietly building massive ecosystems, perfecting their games, and waiting for the right moment to launch. And when the next bull market hits, the projects that have been grinding behind the scenes are going to explode. In this video, we are going to show you which ones are set to skyrocket and how you can position yourself to profit. Why crypto gaming will be a fast-moving trend. Crypto gaming is not just another hype cycle, it's a fast-moving trend that's set to dominate the next bull market. And here's why. Unlike any other sectors that need years to develop, crypto gaming is already battle tested. Developers have been building these ecosystems for years, refining gameplay, creating NFT marketplaces, and integrating DeFi mechanics. They're not starting from scratch. They're ready to launch. And when the market turns bullish, they're going to launch hard. Timing, as we all know, is everything. And crypto gaming has been quietly waiting for the perfect moment. Major gaming projects have already laid the groundwork. Big names like Immutable X, Superverse, Apecoin, Pudgy Penguins, and Cedify, just to name a few, have all been quietly building robust ecosystems, signing partnerships, and onboarding new players everywhere. Behind the scenes, dozens of similar projects are continuing to perfect their gameplay, enhancing their graphics, and designing in-game economies that actually work. But here's why this will move fast. Players, they're already familiar with the concept of digital items. It's not a new integration. Gamers have been buying skins, weapons, and character upgrades for years. The only difference now is they actually own these items as NFTs, and they can trade them for real money. This familiarity means mass adoption can almost happen overnight, once the hype kicks in especially. When the market starts to pump, everyone's going to be looking for the next big gaming project, and the ones that have real development and real value, they will soar. This is where you come in. Being early means getting in before the hype wave. In the next section, we're going to break down 5 of the most promising game projects and why they're ready to explode when the market turns bullish. Be sure not to miss this. These could be your ticket to a 10x, 20x, or even 100x in gains. Immutable X, the backbone of blockchain gaming. Let's start with Immutable X, commonly known as IMX, a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum specifically designed for NFTs and blockchain gaming. It offers zero gas fees, instant transactions, a carbon neutral experience, and a few more things that may catch your fancy. Everything that gaming needs to go mainstream on the blockchain. Built to solve Ethereum's scalability issues, Immutable X has already gained significant traction, powering popular games like Gods Unchained and Illuvium. By focusing on seamless NFT integration and sustainability, it has in fact positioned itself as a core infrastructure for Web3 gaming in the future. For starters, it's already a proven technology, not just a concept. Major games are building already right now on Immutable X, leveraging its scalable network to deliver smooth, fast, and very eco-friendly gaming experiences. And with partnerships that continue to grow, including partnerships with GameStop and TikTok, Immutable X has in fact become a trusted meme in blockchain gaming. As the industry continues to expand, projects that can offer fast, cost-effective NFT solutions, they will dominate, and that is where Immutable X shines. If you are looking for a top gaming crypto that can explode in the next bull market, Immutable X should be on your radar. This is not just another altcoin, it's an entire ecosystem that could become the backbone of blockchain gaming. Keep an eye on IMX because when the market starts heating up, platforms with real utility and adoption will be the first to rally. Don't wait for the hype. Be sure to position yourself before it starts. starts. Superverse, a metaverse universe ready to explode. Superverse, commonly known as Super, is more than just another blockchain project. It is a gateway to an expansive metaverse where players can create, trade, and experience digital assets in entirely new ways. Built with a focus on user-generated content, Superverse continues to empower players to design their own virtual worlds, create unique NFTs, and build interactive experiences. This is not just a game, it's a platform where players can be creators, entrepreneurs, and digital adventurers. With Superverse, the line between player and developer, it disappears, making it one of the most innovative projects in the Web3 space today. So why is Superverse so bullish? It's because it taps into two of the hottest trends in crypto, gaming and the metaverse. But it's not just riding the hype, it's building a robust, scalable ecosystem designed to support millions of users. Superverse isn't just an idea, it's a functioning metaverse where players can already create and trade assets right now. With strong community engagement, ongoing development, and a clear vision for the future, Superverse has in fact positioned itself as a powerhouse for digital ownership and creative freedom in the future. And as interest in the metaverse continues to inevitably grow, projects that empower users to build and earn, they will be the first to explode. If you're looking for a gaming and metaverse project that goes beyond just flashy graphics, Superverse is a must-watch. It's not just another virtual world, it's a platform that could become the go-to destination for creators and players alike. As the bull market continues to heat up, the most valuable projects will be the ones that allow users to create, trade, and earn. And Superverse, it checks all of those boxes. Don't just watch the metaverse happen, be part of it with Super. Apecoin, more than just a token, it's a gateway to the metaverse. Apecoin isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's the native cryptocurrency of the Bored Ape Yacht Club ecosystem, and one of the most iconic brands in the NFT space today. But Apecoin is more than just a collectible. It's the fuel for a rapidly expanding metaverse known as Otherside, developed by the one and only Yuga Labs. This isn't just an experiment, it's a massive, immersive digital universe where players can explore, trade, battle, and build, all powered by Apecoin. For a project that began with cartoon apes, Yuga Labs has transformed the Bored Ape Yacht Club into a multi-billion-dollar brand with a B, and Apecoin is its key to dominating the metaverse. But what makes Apecoin truly bullish is its unmatched brand power and community influence. Yuga Labs has already proven it can create viral digital experiences, and with Otherside, they're taking things to a whole nother level. This isn't just about a game, it's an entire digital economy where Apecoin acts as the native currency. Players can utilize Ape for transactions, in-game upgrades, and exclusive experiences. The brand power of Bored Apes gives Apecoin a massive built-in audience, and Yuga Labs partnerships with major brands that ensure that Otherside is going to be a heavily marketed and highly anticipated launch. If you're looking for a project with serious hype and real substance, Apecoin is a must-watch. It's not just a meme token, it's the key to a digital world that's already attracting, right now, millions in funding and partnerships. As Otherside goes live and Yuga Labs continues to build, demand for Apecoin could explode. Don't just sit on the sideline. Position yourself in a project with brand recognition, a passionate community, and the power to dominate the metaverse. Pudgy Penguins, from affordable collectibles to a gaming empire. Pudgy Penguins, commonly known as Pangu, started as one of the most beloved NFT collections in the crypto world, known for their adorable, plump penguin characters that capture the hearts of collectors everywhere. But what began as a cute digital collectible has evolved into a full-scale brand, complete with merchandise, a thriving community, and a growing ecosystem. Now, Pudgy Penguin is expanding into the world of blockchain gaming, leveraging its brand recognition and loyal fan base to create an entirely new gaming experience. This is not just about cute penguins. It is about transforming a successful NFT brand into an interactive, player-driven world. But Pudgy Penguins is more than just a brand with a gaming twist. It's a masterclass in community building. Unlike many NFT projects that faded away, Pudgy Penguins has maintained strong momentum by actively engaging its holders and constantly innovating. The team has launched a native token, Pangu, which is set to become the backbone of their upcoming gaming ecosystem. With a focus of fun, accessibility, and player ownership, Pudgy Penguins is creating a gaming universe where players can utilize their penguin NFTs in new interactive ways. This is not just a collectible, it's a ticket to a digital playground. So why should you keep your eye on Pudgy Penguins? For starters, it's a brand that has already proven its staying power, and it's now making the leap into gaming, a move that could turn it into a powerhouse globally. As the team continues to develop new experiences and expand its ecosystem, Pangu could become one of the most surprising winners in the next bull market. Don't let the cute art dart fool you. Punchy Penguins is serious business, and it could be your ticket to massive gains. Cedify, your gateway to the hottest new games. Cedify, commonly known as S-Fund, isn't just another blockchain project. It's an entire ecosystem designed to fuel the next wave of crypto gaming. As a launchpad and incubator, Cedify connects promising game developers with funding and support that they need to bring their ideas to life. It's not just a place to launch their tokens. It is a breeding ground for the next generation of Web3 gaming. From play-to-earn titles to immersive metaverse experiences, Cedify is where innovative gaming projects get their start. What makes Cedify so important is its focus on quality and early access. In a world where new gaming tokens pop up daily, Cedify cuts through the noise by carefully curating the projects it supports. It means only the most promising games make it to launch, giving investors a chance to get in on early projects with real potential. And it's not just about launching games, it's about building entire ecosystems, complete with community tokenomics and strategic partnerships. Cedify has already launched dozens of successful projects, and its track record, it speaks for itself. If you're looking for a way to get in early on the next big gaming hit, pay attention to Cedify and put it on your radar. Holding S-Fund tokens gives you exclusive access to private sales for new gaming projects, putting you ahead of the crowd. And in a bull market where early access is everything, getting in before the hype is exactly how you make those 10x or even 100x gains. Don't chase the hottest new token. Position yourself at the source of new gaming projects with Cedify, the hidden gold mine, small cap gaming altcoins with 10x potential. Now that we've covered the big names in crypto gaming, let's take a moment to talk about the real money makers, small cap gaming altcoins. In a bull market, these are the hidden gems that can turn tiny investments into life-changing gains in a matter of weeks. But here's the catch. Small cap gaming tokens are high risk, high reward. One more time. Small cap gaming tokens are high risk, high reward. They're often under the radar with small opportunities and low trading volume. But that's exactly what makes them so explosive. When the gaming hype wave hits, these low-key projects can 10x, 20x, or even 100x faster than everyone expects. So why are small cap gaming altcoins so powerful? It's all about being early. One more time. It's all about being early. Major gaming tokens like Immutable X, Apecoin, and Cedify have all already established themselves, which means that they're far less likely to make massive gains in short time. But small cap tokens, they're different. They're still undiscovered. When big investors and retail traders start looking for the next big thing, these tiny projects, they become rocket fuel. They go from being an unknown project to trending in a matter of days, making early investors massive returns. But you have to know how to find them and when. So how do you spot these high potential small cap gaming coins? First, you look for projects with the strong development teams and the clear roadmaps. Next, you watch for upcoming game launches, major partnerships, or new NFT drops. These are the catalysts that can spark massive price action. Finally, don't get greedy. Small cap tokens can pump fast, but they can also crash just as quickly. Always have a profit-taking strategy and never, ever invest more than you can afford to lose. Being early is key, but being smart is how you keep your gains. In the final section, we're going to bring all of this to life together, showing you exactly how to build a winning strategy for your upcoming gaming bull market. Whether you're hunting for small cap gems or you're betting on proven projects, you'll know how to position yourself for maximum gains. Mastering the gaming bull market, your complete strategy. All right, we've covered a lot. Why crypto gaming is set to explode, the top projects that you need to watch, and even the high risk, high reward world of small cap gaming altcoins. But knowledge without strategy is useless. One more time. Knowledge without strategy is useless. So let's put it all together and build a winning plan for the upcoming gaming bull market. Because if you just jump in blindly, you'll end up chasing the hype and missing the real gains. But with a clear strategy, you're setting yourself up for massive success. First, you start with a balanced approach. Diversify your gaming portfolio. Don't just throw everything at one project, no matter how bullish it looks. A smart strategy means holding a mix of proven names like Immutable X, Apecoin, and Cedify, alongside a few high potential small cap gems. This gives you exposure to big, steady gains while also keeping the door open for those explosive 10x or potential 100x plays. Remember, you're not just gambling, you're building a calculated position. Second, stay ahead of the news. Crypto gaming moves fast, and the biggest gains, they often happen before the hype hits. You follow developer updates, watch for new game launches, and keep an eye on social media for early signals of trending projects. The faster that you're able to spot a trend, better your chances are of catching it before the rest of the market piles in. Don't just react. Be the first to know. Finally, have a clear profit-taking strategy. It's not enough to make gains. You need to keep them. Set clear targets for each coin that you hold. Maybe take 25% profits at 2x, another 25% at 5x, and then you let the rest ride. That way, you're locking in the gains without cutting off your upside. And never, ever forget, small cap gaming tokens can pump fast, but they can crash just as quickly. Don't get greedy. and always stick to your plan. If you follow this strategy, you're not just a spectator in the gaming bull market, you are a player. And the gains are there for the taking if you know how to spot them and play them right. But before we wrap this up, let's bring it all home with a final outro that ties everything together. Seize the gaming bull market, your path to 10x gains. And that's it, your complete guide to conquering the upcoming gaming bull market. We've covered everything that you need to know, from understanding why crypto gaming is so bullish, to spotting the best projects, to hunting down explosive small cap altcoins. But knowledge alone isn't enough. It's what you do with it that counts. And in the world of crypto, speed and strategy are everything. And with the right plan, you're not just chasing gains, you're capturing them. Remember, the gaming sector isn't just another crypto trend. It's a financial ecosystem where players, developers, and investors alike all have a chance to win. Projects like Immutable X, Apecoin, Superverse, Pudgy Penguins, and Cedify are all building the foundations of this new world. And getting in early could mean life-changing gains. But don't just rely on the big names. Keep an eye on small cap gems that can pump 10x, 20x, or even 100x when the hype wave hits. But here's the final key. Don't get greedy. One more time. Do not get greedy. Always have a plan. Set your targets and know when to take your profits. In a bull market, it is very easy to get caught up in the excitement or the euphoria. But the smart players, they're the ones who lock in the gains and move on the next big opportunity. If you stick to your strategy, you're not just another retail trader. You're a calculated investor, ready to capitalize on the gaming revolution. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to JRNY TV, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss our updates. Be sure to drop a comment below with your top gaming altcoin picks, and let's get this conversation started. Are you going for the big names, or are you hunting for the hidden gems? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and remember, this bull market could be your ticket to life-changing gains. Don't miss it.